Oh, what's that eyebrow stuff? Whoa. Oh. Oh, we're getting dark. Oh. Is she gonna be a spider? What's happening? Oh.
Oh my god.
That's spooky. It looks like a spider.
Yeah, coming
out.
out.
Of her mouth.
For some reason I thought she was gonna be something from American Horror Story. Have you seen it?
Yes.
You know those little things in like the white cloaks that run around?
Oh yeah.
I thought she was gonna turn into one of those.
Maybe that's what inspired it.
Yeah.
Dang.
Okay. Oh.
Oh, she's a clown. Ooh!
Can you imagine just being this skilled? Like, you'd never get bored. Honestly, if you got bored, you'd be like, oh, let's do a cool makeup look.
Every day.
Literally.
What do I want to be today? Whoa. What is that?
Oh, what?
Oh my god.
How did she do that?
I did not expect that.
Neither did I. I thought she was just gonna have rainbow colors coming out
Like
her mouth.
lips or like even some rainbow eyeshadow. She was a wax figure.
How did she make that? Hey guys, welcome back to Top 10 Central. I'm one of your hosts for this one, Even Hassan.
And I'm your other host, Joss Bedard. To catch more of our TikTok videos, you can click right up here.
And stick around till the end for the bloopers.
Always a good time.
Always.
Got run over by a reindeer.
What was this, Chris? Oh, it's a reindeer.
Is it gonna be Santa?
You can say there's no such thing.
Oh, he was like roadkill.
Oh god.
He was like roadkill.
Why? I thought it was gonna be Christmas related. I was like, that's not
It's
it.
gonna be a cute Santa.
Yeah.
No, it's like he got hit by a reindeer and like the reindeer's bones.
Oh
that
my
was dark real
God.
fast.
That was awesome. You could do that for Halloween as well. I don't know if you'd like to.
Imagine like showing up to Christmas with that.
Yeah.
Ooh.
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 Oh, that's so pretty.
Like, yeah, right. That's gorgeous.
How are people this talented?
Imagine we could show up to film looking like that.
Yeah,
Like whatever we wanted. Like,
I mean, we technically can.
I can't do this. I need to pay someone to come do this if I want to show up every day doing that. Huh? Rainbow eyebrows.
Oh.
Whoa.
And they're moving. Can you see that?
Yeah, because the light makes it look
yeah.
like it's like a ripple effect.
I love that.
Ooh.
But without the lights, not as cool.
It'd be cool if you did a whole clown look.
Yeah.
Like for Pride,
Yeah.
this would be lit, man.
But then if I saw you just normally on the street, I'd be like, oh,
It's a bit much.
that's a bit much. But I'm like, you do you.
Yeah.
You do you.
Joker?
Oh.
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 Whoa. I like that.
I like that. And I love the lights. I love when the colors and the lights work together. It's like
And all
a
those transitions. that we
Yeah.
do. That's sweet.
Is it easy to do those?
No.
Why have I never seen you do a transition like that?
It's awful. People think it's the timing, man. You have to
Yeah.
retake that like 10 times. Your timing has to be
On point?
on point. James Charles, it said.
Okay.
Is she gonna become James Charles or one of his make?
She's gonna become James Charles.
What? Oh my god!
Did you know? Hi, sisters.
She got the hair down points.
Yeah, she did. And the eyebrows.
And the eyebrows and the freckles.
Yeah.
I get it. Like you don't look like him.
We met
But-
James Charles at Playlist Live.
Yeah.
And he smells really good.
Yeah, he does.
In person. I was like, okay.
Also looks phenomenal without makeup.
Yeah.
Because on the first night of the party, he didn't have anything on. I was
Yeah.
just staring at him like, it's not even fair. He looks flawless. Oh.
Okay.
Leopard print in the eye. Wow.
Wow. Oh my god.
I'm so jealous.
But what would annoy me about this is like, say I have nowhere to go and I'm just doing this, like I need pics or it didn't happen. I have to put it on Instagram or something.
That's why you do it.
True.
That is why these people, it's like free advertisement for their skills. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram.
I swear.
Stop. You're going to take someone's eye.
Look at those transitions.
Besides, you're saying it wrong. It's Leviosa, not Leviosa. Wingardium
That's pretty good,
Leviosa.
actually.
Oh!
Wow!
Dude, she actually got it really on point in the hair and everything. When I thought it was gonna end, I was like, okay.
Me too. Like I saw Emma Watson in you,
Yeah.
but wasn't convinced.
But then at the end, I was like, okay.
Blew my mind.
It is Leviosa.
I love that.
Isn't it?
It's not Leviosa. It's Leviosa. You literally said it the same twice. Oh, I love the fake walk. Ooh, who's she becoming? Look at these transitions. Are you kidding me? What?
Oh my god.
Bro.
Have you seen the Vampire Diaries?
I know who this is.
Ah!
Unreal. Holy crap.
Oh my god, you got the smirk on point and everything. I literally watched the Vampire Diaries last night. I just started season 6
I want to
again.
find her. I want to follow her.
What is her
I
at?
don't know. Letitia. Oh my god, I need to find her.
Followed you.
I'm following you, girlfriend.
Yeah. That's good.
That's great. That was unreal.
Yeah.
And the transitions of getting that, I'm telling you, that, she spent
Just like,
days.
how did she do that?
Fake walk, and
Yeah.
every grunt was like her makeup.
Yeah.
I can't. Cat? No. I'm way off. Batman. Oh, that's makeup.
Oh,
The
wow. Oh my god, she actually looks like Ben Affleck.
She literally put like a fake beard on. Like,
yeah, and she had her fake
shadow?
butt chin on and everything.
Wow.
Wow.
Someone hire this girl. Are you kidding
Literally
me?
for something. I initially thought she was going to turn into Jack Sparrow for some reason.
Oh, that'd be a good one.
Is that next?
I don't know. I hope so. I bet she's done it.
Okay.
Ooh.
Johnny Depp.
So elegant.
Yeah. What a thin face.
Huh? I don't even know what they're doing. Okay.
Okay.
All the work that goes into this.
Yeah, I swear.
I don't even know what these tools are. Are you convinced? Oh, that's him? Oh, wow. I thought that was the picture of the person. Okay.
That was very good.
I was worried. I was like, are you convinced? Because I'm not convinced.
I'm not
yet.
convinced. No, I was convinced at the end though. But dude, it's actually so hard because like these people have to learn how, like, what kind of contour
To
on your
shape.
face. Yeah, how to shape.
Because you make the face structure with the contour.
Yeah.
So if they have a smaller jaw, you have to make
Yeah.
it look like it's shadowed to
Yeah.
do that. It's art. It literally is
It
art.
is. That's why people who are good at art are always really good at
Yes.
makeup. That's why I'm not good at makeup.
I'm terrible at both. Yeah. Makes sense. Great. K-pop idol. Oh no. You would know. Oh, his parents.
I need to see him.
Amen, you're the judge. You're the judge, because I honestly, I don't know like too much about the
Okay,
K-pop.
I know everything about
gang.
K-pop.
The
Okay,
bands.
no, he's not bad. He's honestly not bad. He does look like a K-pop boy. I will give him that.
Fair.
Blonde hair. He's got the eyeshadow. He's got the earrings.
So they did it right.
He did it right.
Okay.
Yeah.
I knew you'd be happy.
Yeah. What?
Dang.
How?
That's insane. They make it look so easy.
This would have taken her so long though.
Like, how do you do that?
Wow.
Oh, it's unreal.
Oh my god.
It's insane.
She's so pretty as well.
She's literally like
A goddess.
a walking piece of artwork.
Yeah,
Like, you could walk
literally.
around and people would be staring at you.
If she did that for Halloween, she'd be the prettiest Halloween costume ever.
I bet they all have killer Halloween.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
And I'm just there in a dice costume, like hee hee hee.
Oh, he's got some crazy happening.
He's gonna put a wig on?
Oh, see, that's how you make the.
Oh.
This is gonna be crazy. Huh?
Is he? What?
Oh, this is getting crazy. Oh my god. Amen.
Wow. Oh my god.
Holy crap!
Dude.
He went in!
Oh my god. Oh my god. So at first I wasn't that impressed because I was like, honestly, he's more just sticking stuff on. And then he started doing all the
Makeup.
shading and stuff and I was like, oh my god.
Like, is that what you mean for us being?
No, that's way too hard.
Listen, you're lucky if I even wear an outfit.
No, by not easy. I just mean we can't
No
have
ears.
any. Yeah, no ears.
An actual effort into
Yeah,
your costume.
yeah.
Okay, I could do that.
We can do that.
That. What is this from? Lion King? Mufasa! Scar! Is this Scar?
Is it? I think so. Yeah.
Yes. That's insane.
Wow.
Oh wow.
Wow.
Oh
Wow.
wow.
I would
blew
be.
my mind.
That's amazing. That's like the sexiest
Cool.
scar
I
I've
was
ever
gonna say
seen.
that was like a sexy Scar
Yeah.
costume.
But I'm still low-key kind of scared.
Yeah.
Cause she was doing the facial expressions really well, and
Yeah.
I was like,
You're creeping me out, girl.
yeah.
You look
Relax.
good though.
You look good.
Yes. They can't hear the music,
Oh.
but we're gonna be like,
This is Halloween.
what is blue? Elsa?
Who's blue in the movie?
Oh, I was just picking a random Halloween
Oh.
costume. Ice?
The Ice Queen?
It's making me dizzy.
Yeah. She's gonna be an Ice Queen of some kind.
An ice queen, like an Elsa.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, red lips. Okay, okay.
Matches her beautiful hair.
Oh!
Wow.
Dude, we're so dumb. How did we not? Of course she was blue.
Elsa?
Elsa.
Ice queen? Wow.
Wow, that was just.
We did not give you enough credit
Yeah,
there.
that wasn't a good moment for
No.
us.
Good enough for you though.
Yeah.
That one's great. You killed it. Oh, she's Cindy Lou Who?
Cindy Lou from the Grinch Who Stole Christmas?
Or are we gonna be way off again?
No, the hair.
No, this is Cindy Lou Who.
Yeah.
She looks like a Cindy Lou Who.
Oh, she's gonna make her face half peel off, isn't she?
Oh yeah, like where it's like half human, half
I don't want to.
Grinch.
She's the half Grinch, half Cindy.
Grinch. Cause hear the song too. It's your mean one, Mr. Grinch.
Oh god.
I don't think I've ever seen something like this.
The crossover of both sides.
Wow. The hair's incredible too, might I add.
I don't know how she got it up there. Mine was just
The
full.
amount of hairspray in that.
That was actually really on point.
That is so cool. Oh
That was very on point.
my god. You know, these people deserve views.
They really do.
Take back any view I have and give it to them. Like, I'm useless.
Hey, you deserve views too.
Not like this. They're actually doing something.
So are you. Creating funny content for people to be entertained.
No.
Yes.
All right, guys, the bloopers are about to start. Let us know what you think of these crazy makeup transformations. They blew my mind.
They really did. I've been one of your hosts, Evan Hassan.
I was the other host, Josh Bernard. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye. Clown. Oh wait, don't need makeup for that.
And they make it look so.
Literally.
Just wake up natural.
Yeah. So good. I follow so many makeup accounts on Instagram and I can't do any of them. I just like looking at them and I'm like,
Yeah.
wow.
I've tried tutorials. Doesn't happen. I literally didn't even wash my hair. Like, you're lucky if I wash my hair for this job. Let alone that. Yummy.
Sorry. It's I need to take my inhaler.
Yummy. COVID.
I like the TikToks where it's like it's a song and they're running and then all of a sudden it's like slow
The
motion.
slow-mo. I learned how to do that.
Okay, go on.
No, I'm not good. But I learned how. What they do is they go like this and they lunge back. So they're
Yeah.
literally just staying still. That's all it is. But they
Oh, really?
Yeah, because on camera it makes it look like you're slowing down, but you're
Oh.
just like that. See? You just like lunge. I learned the trick. I'm not good though. But I learned it.
You tried your best.
I did.
Okay, can we make a pact this year that for Halloween you can't go as anything easy?
Oh, but I'm not good.
I don't know.
Okay.
Okay. You guys
be
called
you.
that on tape.
I'm gonna be a K-pop fan.
I'll just come as Joss.
I'll be you. Oh, that'd be so fun. Red lipstick, glasses. Oh, I need some expensive ass shoes though.
No, please.
It's a second. Even like sing. Oh, this girl.
Please.
You gotta sneeze?
No.
Oh.
I made it go away.
Her